Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Escape with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition. You should feel it slide all the way in. This action also helps to unlock the steering wheel, allowing it to turn freely. Now you're ready for the next step in getting your Escape running smoothly. Once your key is in, you'll notice different positions. Turning it to ACC powers accessories like the radio. Moving it to on illuminates your dashboard lights and primes the electrical system. This is a crucial step before starting the engine. Remember, avoid holding the key in the start position for more than 15 seconds to prevent damage to the starter motor. Let's move on to the final step. Now for the main event, starting the engine. With the key in the on position, firmly turn it further to start. You'll hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key immediately. It will spring back to the on position on its own. If the engine doesn't start on the first try, wait about 10 seconds before attempting again to allow the starter to cool down. If your Ford Escape doesn't start, there are a few things to check. First, listen for a slow crank or no crank at all, which might indicate a low battery. Also, confirm you have enough fuel in the tank. Sometimes, simple things are overlooked. If you've tried these steps and still have trouble, it's best to have a qualified mechanic inspect your vehicle. Safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.